Okay, this is Dan Napier's breadboard project for audio electronics. I have my supplies here. I have my 9-volt, my LED, my resistor, which is red, brown, gold, and I have my tip ring sleeve cable. To start out, I'm going to take the negative end of my 9-volt, plug it into the blue column on my breadboard. Next, I'm going to take the positive end. I'm going to connect it right next to it in the red column so they're not in the same circuit. And then I'm going to take my resistor. I'm going to put it in the blue column underneath the negative side of that wire. And then I'm going to connect it to A1. Next, I'm going to take the first end of my tip ring sleeve cable. We'll find the tip connection. Okay. Make sure I have it. I'm going to connect it to D1, which is in the same row as my resistor, so it continues the circuit. Now that I have that, I'm going to go to the other end of my tip ring sleeve cable and find the tip connection. Okay. I'm going to connect it to, so we'll connect it to J30 all the way at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to take the sleeve connection on the same head, going to connect it into the same row, so I'm going to shoot for F30. Bingo. I'm going to go back to my first head, find the sleeve connection. I'm going to connect it to F10. Then we'll find my ring connection on that same head. We'll connect it to J10. Then we'll go back to my other end of the cable. I'm going to connect the ring connection to E25. Then I'm going to take my LED, going to connect it with A25 back to the red column. A25, red column, and then the light works. So it goes from the battery to the resistor, through the tip, through the sleeve, through the ring, and to the LED back to the battery. So that is my breadboard project. Thank you for watching.